today meeting or toolbox meeting, I'm gonna briefing you about safety because in our ship, safety is a must. And also, I'm gonna assign each every one of you your job and your duties. I know that you already know your job, but the purpose of our meeting is to remind all of you. Feel free to question if there is a problem, and if there is a big problem or trouble, you need to call me as soon as possible. Any idea is free to suggest. Okay? So let's start. I'm gonna assign each and every one of you. So first, cadet, assist your engineer officer for maintaining the main engine. Understood? Second, wiper. You need to clean the engine spaces and machinery and asset directly the engine. Understood? Okay, oiler. You must monitor and record gauge readers. Okay? Fourth, engineer. You must take a measurement of the number of fluids if you will report it to me. Third, engineer. You have a watchkeeping duties. You must charge in boilers and condensate feed system. Got it? Second, engineer. You must schedule the direct maintenance inside the engine room because I have so many paperwork to do, so I can't go down in the engine. So you, second engineer, you must report to me the plant condition and needs. Okay? So that's all for today, cadet and engineers. Thank you and good luck.